best course about how to make sales.
Totally excited and it works.
You're looking to get a job in affiliate marketing. Maybe you're just starting out. Maybe you're a total beginner and you want to have the safety net and the security of a job before you go way into this crazy world of commission-only marketing on the internet. Or maybe you're just interested in being in the affiliate marketing scene, but you don't necessarily want to work for yourself, you want to work for a company. That's totally cool too. Affiliate marketing is a really exciting space. Obviously, I do a lot of affiliate marketing myself. I run a multi-million-dollar business doing this. And I'm going to be showing you in this video some of the top jobs that you can get in affiliate marketing, the top cities in which you can find these jobs, and I'll also be naming a few companies, some of the top companies that it is to work for in this space. Now, if you want to learn more about doing affiliate marketing specifically, which is commission-only marketing, I'm going to have my Filipinos post a link to a playlist. I have a free course on YouTube about affiliate marketing. I'll have them linked to that. So one of the first jobs that you can get in affiliate marketing is as an affiliate manager. Now, an affiliate manager is somebody who connects affiliates with products that they can promote. So typically speaking, an affiliate manager will make anywhere from 10 to 20% commission. They'll make 10 to 20% of the profits of whatever their company makes from the affiliate marketer promoting them, which equals out to be about maybe 2% of revenues. Now, the only way this makes sense is if you are connecting with super affiliates. Now, affiliate managers are meant to connect with big affiliates. What this means is, let's say for instance, you are an affiliate manager for Uber's affiliate program. If you're an affiliate manager for Uber's affiliate program, you want to find people who can send lots and lots and lots of potential customers to Uber. So you'll be contacting big YouTubers, big Instagrammers, big bloggers, big Snapchatters. You'll be contacting people that have very big online presences or just very big presences in general to talk about and link to Uber's affiliate program. So that would be your job, and you'd earn a percentage of whatever Uber profits on them or whatever that commission plan is. So that's an affiliate manager, and that's one of the basic places you will be working in the affiliate marketing industry. Business development is another job within affiliate marketing that you can do and you can earn money from. Anywhere from 10 to 20% commission. Now, if you're doing business development, what you're doing, instead of finding affiliates like what affiliate managers do, you are actually finding businesses that want to create an affiliate offer. So, for instance, you would be working for an affiliate network such as Acceleration Partners or Commission Junction or Share a Sale, Evangate, etc. And you'd be working for one of these companies, going out and finding businesses to create an affiliate program for them. An example of this, let's say you'd be going to Dell or Hewlett Packard and you'd be calling them or emailing them or connecting with them in person at a conference or something. You'd say, hey, would you like to get more customers? More people buying your computers. Or, hey, would you like to get more people investing in your company, to JP Morgan or something like that? Or you'd go to maybe Kaiser Permanente or Blue Shield and you'd say, hey, would you like more customers for your health insurance? What many businesses would say is, yes, what do you have? What's your idea? And you'd say, let's create an affiliate program for you. And we will have people, we'll find affiliates, and we'll get you more customers, and you'll pay us only what you believe is fair every time you get a customer. Maybe that's $100, maybe that's $1,000 if you get a new customer for JP Morgan or Citibank or whatever. Your goal is to help connect businesses and get them bought in to start an affiliate program. Typically, you can make anywhere from 10 to 20% of what that entire program involves. In this scenario, let's say you create an affiliate program for JP Morgan. Let's say you get them 1,000 customers at $1,000 per customer, okay? Which is called the CPA. Now, in this scenario, you still have to get affiliates to promote your programs. Let's say they're giving $800 to the affiliate per new customer. So your margin is $200, which means the company margin is $200,000 in this scenario per month to create an affiliate program for JP Morgan, let's say. So you'd get 10% of that. So if you got JP Morgan as a client, you would make 10%, so just drop the zero, and that would be a $20,000 per month account if you were the business development executive who actually helped set up this deal. You connected the dots and you made sure, let's say you're working for acceleration partners. After you talked to JP Morgan, you had them connect with your development and tech team to do all the technical stuff, and then your company would have gotten all the affiliates and they'd do all the outreach. But just for setting up the deal, you would make $20,000 per month. This is a very realistic scenario. All of the numbers involved are extremely realistic. I mean, if you could land JP Morgan as a client, that would be obviously a huge deal. That would make you a lot of money. Now, you stack a couple other clients on top of that, you can make hundreds and hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars a year if you set up a couple big deals like that. So that's business development. Another job within affiliate marketing is being a media buyer. Now, a media buyer, some people will call it an in-house affiliate. Basically, you will be spending money on ads on Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever. You'll be spending money on ads and you'll be hoping to make your company profit. Now, let's say that the product you're advertising pays you $100. Let's say you're working for Organifi, which is my friend Drew Canoli's company. And by the way, I did a really good interview with Drew Canoli. He's got one of the best affiliate programs around. I'll have my Filipino assistants post a link somewhere on here to the interview series I did with him of how to get that motivation to be an entrepreneur. But his product pays about $100 commission if you get somebody to buy their line of natural supplements. He sells health supplements. So $100, and you are buying ads. Let's say you are buying ads on Facebook and you are spending $50 per customer and you get 100 customers. Okay, so you spend $50 per customer. So you made $50 profit per customer and you got 100 customers. So you add a couple zeros. So you made $5,000 profit for Organifi. Now, media buyers typically get paid 10 to 20% commission for the company they work for. Now, it's a great way, if you want to be an affiliate yourself, the best way to do this would be to be a media buyer and to start out, because then you're actually spending other people's money, OPM. You're spending a company's money, you're taking no risk yourself, and you're learning how to buy ads in the process and how to be an affiliate yourself. Now, if you're working for a company, again, you're taking no risk, so you don't get all the profit, but you'll get, let's say, 10 to 20% commission. In this scenario, you'd be making somewhere between $500 to $1,000 per month as an in-house media buyer. Great place to start if you want to start in the affiliate marketing industry. My story is I didn't start as a media buyer. I started working for an actual ad agency. I was managing people's AdWords accounts. Not on a commission-only basis. I was managing them just as an employee. I was getting paid about $6,000 per month, but I was managing about $2 million worth of monthly ad spend. I got to spend other people's money to learn how to be a better marketer and advertise to people in a way that would make them want to buy stuff and give me their information. So great place to start as a media buyer. The companies you'll want to work for, you can work for affiliate networks, but most of the companies you'll work for as a media buyer will be actual companies that have their own affiliate offers. And the job title is oftentimes in-house media buyer or just media buyer. Now, a few other jobs that you can do to work for affiliate marketing companies, there's a smattering of these, but they're not going to give you, not all the time, that direct experience like being a media buyer will give you with buying the ads, or like affiliate management will be connecting you with all those affiliates. Now, some other jobs that affiliate marketing companies are looking for are copywriters. Copywriters are people who write ads and who write landing pages or advertorials, different sorts of marketing copy. The best ad is so important in marketing. And I actually have an interview series I did with two of my close friends, Carlos Cruz and Ronnie Sandlin, that I'll have my assistants linked to. It's called The Art of Copywriting. And both of these friends of mine make millions of dollars per year, and their forte is writing an ad that gets people to read it and buy from it. Another job is being a web designer. So if you can design really beautiful landing pages or sequences or funnels, that will be a big help for a lot of companies, because a lot of what we're doing is design related. Now, direct response marketing design is actually not highfalutin. It's actually, you have to be very basic, but being able to test that is very good. And also web developers, particularly HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and sometimes PHP. You can work for a lot of affiliate marketing, advertisers or networks. They'll have these jobs in demand. So some of the top cities where you can find jobs for affiliate marketing, I've put in the board behind me. One thing I want to disclaim before I show that to you is there are tons of remote jobs for affiliate networks and affiliate marketing related companies. But that being said, if you really want to increase your chances of getting a job in this industry, you'll want to go to where the cities are. Again, it's about your commitment. If you're really vested in getting a job in this industry, do what it takes. Move somewhere. If you want to get a job in tech, go to San Francisco. But if you want to get a job in affiliate marketing, here are the cities where you'll want to be in. Number one is San Diego. It is the number one city for affiliate marketing. I think the reason it's come about that way is because of the lifestyle. The lifestyle in San Diego, it's young, it's fun, I wouldn't say it's cheap anymore. It's cheaper than San Francisco and LA for sure. There's a lot of space, and the beach is beautiful, the water's warm. It's just a great place to live. It's very hilly, very beautiful, lots of nature everywhere, lots of colleges, great city, lots of fun, lots of affiliate marketers and affiliate marketing related companies there. The next city I would say is Toronto. I don't know why Toronto's become a huge hub for affiliate marketing, but it is. There's a lot of networks there. Convert2Media, Max Bounty. I can't even think of them all, but there's a lot of companies out there. Internationally, Amsterdam has become the European hub for affiliate marketing. Lots of affiliate networks and offers there. Other two notable cities are New York. There's just everything in New York. It's extremely expensive, though. And Tampa Bay, St. Petersburg area in Florida. Again, you have that great lifestyle. You have Commission Junction and just a lot of very big affiliate marketing companies that are there. Now, New York, the notable company there, I would say, is Acceleration Partners, because I forget his name, but Robert something. They run the affiliate programs for Uber, for Lyft, for TaskRabbit, DoorDash, for a lot of really big Fortune 500 companies. So if you're looking to going to biz dev, that's a great place to be, because all those big companies, Fortune 500s and Fortune 1000s, have massive presences in New York. Now, there are a lot of companies in affiliate marketing, and they're spread out worldwide. I'm going to name a smattering of companies that are great to work for in no order whatsoever. So in San Diego, there's Ads for Dough, or A4D, which is run by my friend Jason Akatif, very large affiliate marketing company that works with, media buyers, business development people, affiliate managers, etc. In Boise, Idaho, there's Clickbank, one of the oldest companies in affiliate marketing, and they have a lot of people. They do billions of dollars in transactions. They have about 50 to 100 people that work for them up there. You also have Commission Junction, you have ShareASale, you have a Vangate, you have Acceleration Partners in New York. There's a lot of companies out there, but you can do the research on that on your own. Now, if you're looking to work for a media buyer, such as a mega affiliate who's buying ads and on the front lines of affiliate marketing, because maybe you want to be an affiliate marketer yourself, the best way I would suggest is actually connecting with them through social media. Some of them, such as myself, are very active on social media. My company does about $4 million per year. You know, I'm a smaller fish in this game, but if you want to work for people like myself, I don't hire any employees, just to let you know, but my friends of mine like Carlos Cruz do, would be to follow them on social media. Some of them maintain blogs or vlogs or Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat. Start following these people when you come across them. Go to conferences, network with people, go to conventions, go to Affiliate Summit West or East, or go to the Affiliate World conferences. But meet people in person is going to be your best bet at that, and connect with them through all the social media channels. And it won't be too hard to get a job, but again, to get those really good jobs where you're on the front lines buying ads, you're going to need some experience, and you're also going to need, you know, getting a personal connection is going to help a lot. Did you enjoy this video? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, or if there's something else you'd want to learn about, make sure to write that in the comments.